Y'all know what time it is. It's time to put in that work. Man, I look rough. But this video is on how to give yourself a crispy lineup. Alright, I'm ready to have some fun. You ready? Because I'm ready. Don't forget to put in that work. Shout out to all my workaholics. First things first is you want to take a towel and you want to get on all parts of your edges of your hair. You want to lay it down. You want to damp it. Okay? Now it's time to lay the hair down with a comb. Any comb will do. You know, you just want to lay your hair down so that way all the little hairs that's shown where your hairline is at, you want to get rid of that. Now it's time to get into the fun part. We have right here a BABYLISS clipper. I don't have the cordless one. This is the first original one. Right here where my hand is at, you want to have the leather open, not closed, and you want to go with the grain going down on each part of your edges of your hair. Also, I'm using a 1 guard, so if you have any questions, I'm using a 1 guard. It's 2022, man, and I told myself I'm not gonna play no games this year. I'm gonna try to put out much content as possible showing y'all how to cut y'all hair. Alright. Yes, I am a licensed barber and new to all this, so this is my very first tutorial video that I'm giving y'all. I'm giving it to all y'all. Wait a minute. You watching this video, you ain't sit there and hit the red buttons to subscribe to this video? I need you to subscribe to this video right now and like this video. Got to be. Hey, any product that I am using, I'm going to put them down in the description box so that way y'all know where the heck I got them from and what I'm using. You want to use this holding spray to spray all over your edges so that way it can hold the hair down. It's nothing but glue. Don't worry about it. It will come off. Now, if you're asking questions, why are you using that spray? It's to hold the hair down. Take a brush and brush the hair down more while it's drying in so that way it can help you find the little hairs as you're lining yourself up. And if y'all ever want to question me on anything that I'm doing or why I'm doing this or why I'm doing that, yo, just leave a comment down below and I'll be willing to answer back. That's why I am here, to help you out. Now, after using the holding spray, got to be, and on top of that using the brush, what are you going to do? You're going to air it out, blow dry it. Use the blow dryer, make sure it's super dry so that way you can use the clippers. This technique that I'm doing, I want every last one of y'all to try this out, because bro, everything that I do, I'm only doing it for y'all, and I want y'all to try it out. Now, it may not work for y'all, it may work for y'all, but just let me know. Now, when people think about just cutting your hair, barbers, they just cut hair for a living. No, they are the creators. They are the ones that have that skill. They are the ones that are artists. You get what I'm saying? So right here, we are getting very creative now. Now we are using a magic barbering pencil. You can get these at any store. I would say more of like any beauty supply store. You're not going to be able to get it at Sally's because Sally's ain't going to carry stuff like this. So you have to go like to any beauty supply stores or Amazon, anything like that. Guarantee you this is a must needed tool that you will need. And actually, this pencil is something like how women use like the eyeliners for like their makeup and stuff. Well, we're using this to go against our hairline to help us get a better crispy lineup. A lot of people don't even know that. Now it's time to really put in that work. Now y'all ready? We're gonna take the T outliners and this again. I have all the old stuff. Hopefully I can get all cordless equipment. I'm working on that. Like I said, I am a new barber, and I tell y'all this right now, it's nothing but the best when you invest into yourself. So we are digging into our hairline, making sure we are getting both sides, getting the edges. I call it like 3. You want to be able to have the 3. And what do they call like that Chicago style? But are we going to call it like the C style? I don't even know. The Chicago style, that's what we're gonna go with. But You want to line yourself up as naturally as possible, and do not try to push your hairline back, because you don't want to walk around looking bald headed. Or I'm pretty sure y'all seen those little memes on Instagram and stuff like that. You don't want to walk around looking like that. And like I said in the beginning, this is my very first tutorial video on how to cut my hair, or how to cut hair, or give any type of tutorial on how to give yourself a crispy lineup. I will do more videos, but forgive me on the vision of this video. Half of it wasn't all the way great, but look, if y'all work with me, I'm working with y'all, and we're gonna keep on putting that work. So keep on staying tuned in with me. Now, when you're doing your sides, you want to hold the clipper upward to like almost like an 85 to like a 90-degree angle, so that way you can be able to get those little pointy lines. You don't want to be able to hold it straight. You don't want to have nobody looking like what happened. You don't want to have yourself looking like what happened. Have the clippers all the way up to like a 90-degree angle, and then go ahead and dig into that hairline. As you see in the video, I am using the tip of the trimmer to go ahead and do the sides of my sideburn. That's what I'm doing right now. You don't need to use the whole entire clipper. Use the side of it and use it as like your drawing. Like I said, we are artists. Everyone's an artist. Everybody's a creator, man. It's the year 2022, man, and we are doing nothing but greatness. We're doing nothing but using our imaginations and creativity so that we can get out to the world, man. That's what I'm doing for y'all, man, because y'all are my peoples. Y'all are my workaholics, and I appreciate y'all a lot, for real. It's time to sharpen stuff up. Now, if you really want to have those edges, your whole entire hairline looking real sharp and real clean with no little hair showing, we have a straight razor here. The cheapest you're gonna get is about like what, $6.99, $8.99. Any store you might be able to get it, but you know, that's the cheapest you're gonna get. But these things are lifesavers. Be careful when you use them, please, and when you're using them, just go lightly with it. Don't dig in too much, because you will cut yourself. When you're using a straight razor, make sure that you use your other hand to pull the skin and stretch it back, so that way it can make it tight, and you'll be able to use the razor even better, because when it's loose, you can wind up cutting yourself. You know, true fact, and this is no lie, I done cut myself so many times that I didn't have marks. Y'all probably seen some of my old videos like, what in the world happened to you? It's because of the fact that I was practicing on myself, and practice makes perfect. But now look at me, I'm doing good, and I'm just doing nothing but kill shots. Look at that. Now, after using the magic barber pen and after shaving, you want to be able to take a rag and get rid of the lines that's on your forehead. So next we are doing the enhancement. This is a fiber that we put in our hair when you want to be able to clean up the little open parts, like any parts in your hair, or like get where the edge is at, so that way it can make it look darker. You don't want to walk around looking like, dang, like your line is crispy, but it ain't really crispy. And this enhancement is really going to help you out. Like I said, any chemicals, any tools, anything that I'm using, I'm going to leave down below in the description box. And some of y'all may be asking, what is that orange little card you're using? That orange little card right there is to help outline your edges even better when you're using the fiber enhancement. Let it burn, let it burn, gotta let it burn. Next, we're going to be using the aftershave, and this is good to use after you got done using a razor, after using the clipper. You want to be able to use this to go along the skin so that way you won't have any future breakouts. Now it's time to add a finishing touch with our oil sheen that spray it all around, Steve.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the watch. She gon' get it. White on my top. Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks. 350s when I walk.
I'm just gonna tell y'all this right now. I really love this, and I love giving out nothing but my creativity, my skill out to the world, and showing y'all what I have and what type of passion I have. And I love cutting hair. I love doing this. I love giving grooming tutorials. I love giving fashion tutorials. I love doing all this. I love every last one of y'all, man. Y'all just don't realize that. I'm yours truly, Putnwork Steve. I'm always gonna come back with more videos. But look, if y'all got any comment, leave down below, and stay tuned to more videos like this, because it's the year 2022 and things ain't changing. We always gonna rise to the top, and I got more videos coming for y'all, and I'm just hyped, man, because y'all just don't feel the love and the passion and the pain that I got in my body that I want to give out to y'all. Thank y'all.
Crazy for that bankroll. I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the watch. She gon' get it. White on my top. Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks. 350s when I walk. I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts.